Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Pinterest not working, so I'm going to teach you how to fix common issues on your PC. So here, a few stuff you need to check. Here is the first thing is your internet. So make sure your connection is stable and not slow. So go here, as you can see right here, here's your internet, and use LAN and avoid using what they call this. Avoid using some this mobile data. And if I suggest using wire like that. You can use wire, and to check if your Wi-Fi is high, just check your internet first and make sure your connection is stable and not slow. So if you want to check, is you could just go to Google and then type in what do you call this Wi-Fi. Let's just type in Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. There you go. There you go. Speed test right here. We have our steps and speed test right there. Go to speed test, then click on go. Here you will see your speed test. Boom. As you can see here, we have our download at 80 to call this 83.05 and our upload 79.36, which is decent and good, which means that our network is steady and good. But if you have some like a low, it will go like below 10 or maybe below somewhere like that, 10, 5. You can consider as very low. I suggest using LAN or changing some stuff. But yeah, there you go. And then if ever that happens, I suggest restarting your internet by just restarting the Wi-Fi itself, or just connect a wire to the internet. So yeah, there you go. And another thing is a clear browser cache and cookies. So to do this, go to your top right corner, and then just go to you right here, delete browsing, and just click on that. Then here you will see the caches and images. There we go. Delete those. There you go. Delete cookies and image down history. You don't have to delete. Just delete the cache and images. Then click on delete data, right there. And it'll surely fix your Pinterest. And update or restart your browser. You, I think it's automatically updated. Or we just go to settings, then type in update. Wait, we can just type in update right here. We don't have to go type in settings. We can just type in update or go check for updates if there is, and update your what do you call this drive or your PC itself. And then if it's still not working, restart your computer, and then there you go. And a quick tip for you guys: if you have ad blockers, something like that, installed extension or something like that, I suggest disabling it. But right now I don't have a ad blocker, so I won't show you. But if you have one, just disable it. Just turn it off if you can. And there. So, and for my last one is, if it's still not working, try a different browser. I suggest using Opera or Microsoft Edge, because those are the stuff that mostly use. So yeah, I suggest using Opera, or here's the Opera. Now Opera or Opera GX right here, Opera and Opera GX. So just using that, and and try to open your Pinterest there, or download the Pinterest app from the Microsoft Store itself right here. Just type to download it on Microsoft Store itself. Type in Microsoft Store and type in Pinterest. Download it right there if it's not working on your browser. So yeah, there you go, guys. And a quick tip for you guys: if all else fails, I suggest just a bonus tip. I suggest going to your settings and then reset settings, and then restore settings to the original default. But that if only everything if fails, yeah, you can do that. So there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, and before I go, I'll be showing you the what they call this, the iPhone version of it, on how to do it if it ever has those common issues like it's not working, something like that. We'll discussing that. But since I don't have an iPhone, we're just showing it how to do it. But I've asked persons, people that has iPhones, and then um, tried to ask them how they do it, and they give me some answers. So there, I've now put it in a short presentation for you guys. So I'll see you there. So here, if Pinterest not working on your iPhone, so here are the things that you can do. So why does Pinterest fail on iPhone? Full app cache and overload. Cache can cause the app to freeze, load slowly, or crash unexpectedly, hindering your browsing experience. Outdated software running an older version of Pinterest app or iOS can lead to compatibility issue and software glitch. Unstable internet, a weak or inconsistent internet connection is a common culprit, preventing image and content from loading properly. Storage and conflict. Low iPhone storage or too many background apps can hog resources, causing Pinterest to malfunction or run slowly. So, quick fix to get Pinterest working again: clear Pinterest cache, navigate to Pinterest profile, and click on settings, and privacy and data, then clear app cache to resolve loading issue. Check internet, verify you have a strong Wi-Fi or circular connection. Try toggling your internet connection off and on. Update or reinstall app. Update Pinterest via the App Store. If issue persists, delete and reinstall the app to refresh core files. Free up space, free up some space or storage, and then restart. So there you go. Delete unused apps or files, then reboot your iPhone to clear RAM and optimize system performance. And final tip for you guys: when to seek help, disable background app refresh, turn off the features for Pinterest in your iPhone settings to minimize resource image, keep iOS updated, always ensure your iPhone's operating system is at the latest version for optimal compatibility performance. Check server status. If all else fails, check if Pinterest servers are down to the web. Uh, the web app can also be temporary uh, solution. So I suggest if you're doing web app, I suggest using if your iPhone, Safari. If it's still not working there, try using a different approach using Chrome. But there, with these steps, you'll be back to pinning your inspirational in no time. There you go. And a quick tip for you guys: if the problem persists after trying these solutions, it might be a broader issue, and consider contacting Pinterest support or visiting an Apple Service Center. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video because you enjoyed. And if you have any more questions, just type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.